Hi everybody, this is your Tatay Mechanic again. I'm working on a 2019 Isuzu NPR. The problem is that brake light sometimes is not on. If you apply the brake like this, it should be turned off. Okay, then the light is on. Your tail light is on. Apply the brake, it should be on. So now I found what's wrong. One of this wire came off, so I just put it in and put some silicone, easy fix, because I can find a female terminal on this one. Or sometimes the problem is one of the green wire, the one came off or broken, especially this green wire, the one I'm pointing, one of those green wire is broken. You don't have the light on that brake light too, so this is the most problem in PR Isuzu 2019. If your brake light is off on the dash, check those socket or the wiring came off. Sometimes this one is broken. Voila! Subscribe to my channel, Tatay Mechanic. Thank you.